Do you sleep the way you should? Getting a good night's sleep is so important and provides so many health benefits. My dad suffered from sleep apnea. He wouldn't wear a CPAP machine and his snoring kept my mom awake. He would wake up many times at night. He napped during the day and he felt he had no energy. For over 10 years, I've tried the latest and greatest sleep treatments on him. I use that experience to help many others improve the quality of their sleep. If you think you should be sleeping better, there are many options to help. Please come see us at RDC Dental to find an option that works for you.